All right. So good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm fine, dear. I'm doing well. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. How was your weekend?
Nice.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Did you get rest?
Yes.
Did you play?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So back to the working day, isn't it? Monday. You like Mondays?
No.
Why?
Yes.
You get to see all your friends and teachers, isn't it? So you ought to like Monday. You can learn new things on Mondays, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anna?
Ma'am.
Yes, okay. So we'll start learning a new topic today. By the way, what were we learning about? What were
More
we
about
learning about?
keyboard.
Yes,
What
we
more
were
about-
learning more about
keyboard.
more about keyboard. What is a keyboard used for?
Keyboard is used
Used for?
with
Yes, it is an input device.
control commands
Yes.
into a component.
Very good. Very good.
Commands are fed into a computer.
Yes, they are fed into the computer and they are basically used for typing, isn't it? We all know that. And we started learning about the keys, the types of keys. So what are the small buttons on the keyboard called?
Keys.
Keys. They are called keys. We learned about the alphanumeric keys.
Alphanumeric keys.
Yes. Then
Navigation.
navigation keys.
Letter,
Yes.
number, control keys.
Control keys. Very good. Then
Function keys, control
function
keys.
keys. Function keys and control keys. Okay.
Function
Now, can you
keys.
tell me what is the other name given for alphanumeric keys?
Typing keys.
Typing keys. Very good. Okay. Now, have you seen the number keys on the keyboard?
Yes.
Yes. If you have the keyboard in front of you, just look. Just look if they have numbers. Do they have it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they have numbers. Is it present on the right side of the keyboard?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Aryan has an headache.
Aryan?
Has an headache.
I cannot hear. It's not clear, dear. Can you repeat?
Aryan has an headache.
Aryan has
An headache.
headache. You're not well.
No.
What happened to you?
Yesterday started.
Yesterday started. Okay. Get your medicines if you want. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So get well soon, Aryan. Okay. So tell me, did you see the numbers on the keyboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it present on the right side?
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it somewhere else other than the right side of the keyboard?
No.
No? Just below the function keys, just check.
Yes.
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 We have numbers just below the function keys as well as on the right side, isn't it? And
Yes,
now
ma'am.
I'll show you a picture. Just look at the screen, everyone.
Ma'am.
Look at the screen. Look here. Everybody look here. Aiden. Yes. I'm going to share the screen. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see a set of
ma'am.
numbers on the right side?
Yes.
Yes. That is called the numeric keypad. What is it called?
Numeric keypad.
Numeric keypad. Repeat once more. Numeric keypad. Yes. We'll write about that, but just look here. Okay. Now, I'm going to draw yellow outline for this. See, this is called the numeric keypad. What is it called?
Numeric keypad.
Yes, numeric keypad. Numeric keypad. When we learned about alphanumeric keys, I told you what numeric is related to. What is it related to?
Numbers.
Numbers, very good.
Numbers.
So the word numeric, it's related to numbers. See, we can see different numbers here, isn't it? From
Yes.
0 to which number? Just count and see. 0 is there. Then 1. Yes, to 9. 0 to 9, isn't it? 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Do we have 10 on that?
No.
No. Why? How can we type 10 then? Yes, we don't have the number 10. So what will we do, Rex?
Zero.
Rex, can you tell me? What will we do? To type 10, what will we do?
To click 1 and 0.
Yes, we'll click
0.
1 and then 0. Where are the keys? We'll click 1 first, then 0. See, we click this key first and then 0.
0.
Otherwise, we can click the keys from there, or we can press the keys from here. See, here we have the 1. Again, the pen is gone. Just a minute. Yes, here we have the 1 and we'll type 0. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what is the collection of number keys present on the right side of the keyboard called? I told you the name. Numeric keypad. Numeric keypad. Can you repeat once more? Numeric keypad. Numeric keypad. Very good. Shall we write about this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
In the
Please
rough
open your rough. Yes. Yes.
The rough
Please open your rough books. Numeric keypad. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Ready.
Yes. Okay. So let's write. You have to write this heading. What is the heading?
About
Numeric.
numeric keypad.
Yes. Write along with me. Otherwise, you lag behind. Numeric keypad. What is the spelling of key? K-E-Y. Very good. Keypad. K-E-Y. Correct. Underline that. Numeric keypad. Shall I dictate the spelling? Yes.
Yes.
N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Adnan, are you writing? Please write. Please write. N-U-M. Yes, in the rough book. You have to write in the rough book. N-U-M-E-R-I-C.
Completed.
Completed. Good. N-U-M-E-R-I-C.
Completed.
Very good. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric. Numeric keypad.
Wrote. Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Shall we write a sentence about this?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. In the next line, start a new sentence. The numeric. The numeric.
Numeric.
The numeric keypad. Numeric keypad consists of numeric keypad consists of all numerals consists of means it contains. The numeric keypad contains. Okay. Yes. The numeric keypad consists of all numerals from all numerals from which number to which number?
1 to 9.
Is it 1 to 9?
0 to
1
9.
0 to 9. Good, very good. It's 0 to 9. Don't forget our 0. It's very important. Okay. Otherwise, how will we type 10, 20, 30, hundreds and all? We need the 0. It's from 0 to 9. So consists of all numerals from 0 to 9 along with A-L-O-N-G, along with the keys, along with the keys to do basic mathematical. It's a long word, so write carefully. M-A-T-H, mathematical. E-M-A-T-I-C-A-L. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-A-L. Mathematical. Keys to do basic mathematical calculations. C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-I-O-N-S. Calculations. Which are the basic mathematical calculations that you have learned, children? Tell me. Addition, yes. Subtraction, then
Division.
multiplication. Very good. So can I ask something? Please listen here. After that, I'll give you time to write.
Yes.
Please listen here. Yes. For addition, which symbol do you use usually?
Plus.
This
Plus.
one, no? Plus. Yes, plus symbol. For subtraction? Yes. Then for division?
Divided by.
Yes. Or we can use this symbol. If we are writing 10 divided by 2, we can write like this. Okay.
Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication, which one?
Into.
This one. In computer, sometimes we use this star also instead of into. Got it? Yes. So what do you mean if I type 5 star 6? What do you mean by this? Understood? So if you see any typed material, yes. 5 into 6 is 30. Very good. You're good in maths also. Okay. So 5 into 6 is written as 5 star 6 also sometimes in computer. Okay. So if you see any printed material with 5 star 6, then that means it is
5 into 6.
5 into 6. Simple. You know that, okay? All right. So keys to do basic mathematical calculations like, let's write the rest, like, which are the basic mathematical calculations? Addition, subtraction, division,
Multiplication.
very good, division and multiplication. Addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So the numeric keypad consists of which all keys? The number keys from 0 to
9.
9, and also the symbols, the numerical symbols with basic mathematical calculations. Which are they? Plus symbol, minus is
Minus
yes, the divided
by
then in or the
by
step is also there.
divided by minus.
Yes, we'll see what all keys are there apart from these. Please write first and I'll show you the picture once more.
My work is completed.
Very good.
And my work is completed.
Yes.
And my work is
What
completed.
have I told you? If you have completed your work, you should
read.
read. Yes. Read what you have written and ask if you have a doubt. Krishna Raj, have you completed writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, my work is
Okay, okay.
and we write the symbols.
No need to write the symbols now. I'll give you in the notes. Okay. The main notes, I'll send it to you. All right. Please continue writing. I'll take the attendance in between. After that, once you're done, I'll show you the picture. Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, okay. Some more students are yet to complete there, so we'll wait for them. Okay, attendance, Adnan. Present. Agnes. Absent. Abel Rinson. Present. Aiden Dias.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Aiden Rojo.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Ameya.
Present, ma'am.
Anamika. Andrina Joby. Not here. Then Anna Mary.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Anunaya.
Present, ma'am.
Arfin Ali.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan. Present. Ayan. Ayan. Absent. Chinmay. Devamitra. Dia Denny.
Present, ma'am.
Emmanuel Sijo. Present. Esther. Felix.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Heaven.
Present, ma'am.
Ishan. Present.
Present,
Yes. Krishna Raj.
ma'am.
Okay. Muhammad Imran Ali. Absent. Muhammad Zishan. Muhammad Zishan. Absent. Neharika.
Present, ma'am.
Niranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Nora. Parvana. Parvana. Absent. Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Raman. Rex. Rida Mehreen.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Risa Rose.
Present.
Rishit Vinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rashid.
Present, ma'am.
All right. Serafina.
Present, ma'am.
Suhana. Tiva.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Please write fast.
Ma'am, Agnes is present.
Agnes is present. Yes, Agnes, I saw you already. All right. I'll show you the picture now. Look here. Yes. Here you can see the symbols also, isn't it? Apart from the numbers.
No, we can see. No, yes. Here.
Yes.
Now we can see.
Now you can see. Now, if you have the keyboard in front of you, just look at the right part. There you'll see the numeric keypad. Okay, there you can see the plus symbol, the minus symbol, the star, and all. Just see if you can see there. And as we told, the numbers 0 to 10. Is it 10?
No, 9.
9. 0 to 9 is marked on the numeric keypad. And one more thing, children. Can you see numlock? A key called numlock?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Numlock.
No.
Numlock. See?
First one.
Numlock.
Number lock.
Number lock. That's called number lock or numlock. And what is it used for? If you want to use this keypad, you have to switch on this number lock. Okay. And also here when you use also you can use the numlock. When you want to start typing the numbers alone. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. That's it. Any doubt in this portion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay.
No, ma'am.
All right. So we'll use, we'll write about the numlock also and then finish off. Take your books again. To use, next sentences, to use the numeric keypad, to use the numeric keypad, to use the numeric keypad, first we have to activate. First, we have to activate. First, we have to activate the numlock. First, we have to activate the, what is it called? Numlock. N-U-M-L-O-C-K. This you can put in inverted comma. We have to activate the numlock. Is that clear? Yes. So which is the key that you have to press on to activate the numeric keypad?
Numlock.
Numlock. That's the name for that key. Numlock. Yes. Numlock. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my work is completed.
Work is completed. Okay.
We have completed, ma'am.
Okay. Can we read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Look at the first line now. Numeric keypad. The numeric keypad consists of all numerals from, this is an important point, all numerals from 0 to 9.
0 to 9.
Yes, along with the keys to do basic mathematical calculations like Addition,
subtraction, division, and multiplication.
Division, and multiplication.
Okay. Now to use the numeric keypad, first we have
That
to
is why to activate
Lock.
lock.
lock. All right. Yes. Shall we see one more set? We have time, no? One more set of keys which we have already discussed about. So it will be very easy for you. You can easily identify. See the picture. Look here. Can you see the picture now? Yes. What are these key called? These 4 keys. You know the name?
Arrows.
Arrows.
Control keys.
Arrow keys. They are called arrow keys. Okay, they are coming under the section navigation keys, but still they are called arrow keys since they have arrows here. See, up.
Ma'am, we can move with this.
Yes,
Right. That's right.
especially when we are playing games and all.
Down, left, right.
Yes, up, down, left, and right. We can use it for playing games. We can use it for jumping to different side of the text when we are typing something. Okay, using arrow keys. To move left, to move
And
down.
video. Down 3.
Yes.
Left.
Yes, exactly. So that we have already seen when we studied about the navigation keys. Remember the examples were page up, page down, then the arrow keys.
Yes.
Okay,
Arrow
that's
key.
about the arrow keys. I hope that's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all right.
Yes.
Okay, have you completed writing this?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Shall we wind up then?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
We'll
you
meet next week. Please read this portion and come. Numeric keypad. Okay?
send the notes.
I haven't sent. I'll send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.